I'm going. Okay, any questions in static keyword, you can unmute yourself and talk to me. I'm going to share my screen with you. We are going to perform some questions on arrays, okay? 1D and 2D both today. Then we are going to start a new topic if time persists, otherwise in the next class. But today we are going to do some questions on 1D and 2D array. Okay. Are you all able to see my screen? Vijayaraj, are you able to see my screen? Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, good. I'm sharing few questions here, okay? This I want to give Okay, let us start with question number 1 to 5, okay? Then we'll move on to question number 6. वहाँ पे क्यों बैठ गया? आगे आ जाओ। Okay. I'm believing you. I'm saying I'm not believing you. क्या पता है? सब हाँ तो क्या? No. Some switch might not be on. Otherwise, it is always there. Okay, we are going to start working on these questions, okay? I had a query. Yes, Pranjul, you can definitely unmute yourself and talk to me.
Ma'am, I made some changes in question number 18, which you gave, and I was facing some issues in question number 18 as well as in 19 too.
Okay, 18 and 19. Okay, let me see.
Yes, ma'am. I made some changes and I was facing some issues.
18 is a good question. Yeah. Yes. What is the problem here? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I had written my program for this third series, that is the square root one. It is giving. I'm getting the correct out.
Okay.
And I had declared a different class for this factorial series.
Okay. Yes.
And when I'm trying to call that class and inherit that class, it is not at all working.
Can you share your screen?
Hello, ma'am.
For sure.
Yes, Bhavit, you are saying something. Yeah.
Ma'am, can you paste those
question wali?
Yes, it is here only. Yeah. So can you please take a screenshot while I am solving doubts of Pranjul? Is it okay?
Yes,
you can
ma'am,
take a screenshot. Yeah.
After that, done taking screenshots, ma'am, tell me, I will start sharing my screen.
Yeah. Okay, done. Yes. Let me stop pressing. Yeah. Okay, I can see your screen.
Should I need to zoom that?
No, I am able to see. No problem. Okay. You are?
Ma'am, observe this factorial f underscore factorial n. Okay.
It's a function?
Which I'm trying to access as yes, ma'am, it's a user-defined function. Here I defined a integer function as f underscore factorial for getting the factorial.
Where is the function? Can you open that function once?
There it is now.
I cannot see the function yet. Maybe it is still loading. Or something. No, you are calling it, no, not.
Is it visible now?
Yes, yes, yes. Now I can see. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, okay. You are returning the result. Okay, correct. Yes, yes. The function is correct. Then what happened?
Here you can see the error. Cannot make a static reference to
Yes.
the non-static method.
Yeah, it is right. You need the object for accessing this method, no, beta? Without creating the object, how can you? If you create static, it is okay. Yes, of course. Now it is okay. See, getting it, Pranjal?
Just a minute. I think I made a silly mistake. Let me go for 25.
Then what is happening there? Divide by zero error is coming. Okay. You have to open.
It is again like exception made main.
But division by zero is happening somewhere. Okay. Can you show me your program once again? स्क्रीनशॉट ले ले सो फटाफट हेलो स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो आना तो फोटो वोटो पढ़ ले क्योंकि पहले 5 करेंगे ना फिर 6 बहुत बढ़िया क्वेश्चन है 6 क्वेश्चन इज अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन उसमें 1 dimensional this is 2 dimensional now that is 1 dimensional question. That question I have kept that you are telling. I have kept that question that you are telling. You have seen the other author's question, no? That is 1D array. I want this in 2D array, so I have kept it at the last. Yes, Pranjul, let me see. Okay, division by 0. Okay, number is not equals to 0. You are doing on line number 9 only. It is showing me the error. One into. Can you show me the error once?
Okay.
This factorial, what are you doing? I'm trying to understand the factorial function. One upon result into number. 1 upon result into number. 1 into 5. Oh, Pranjul, I got the mistake. See, beta, are you able to hear me first?
Yes, ma'am. I'm clearly.
Yes, yes, okay. Now see, whenever you are doing factorial now, you have to do 1 factorial, 2 factorial, and so on and so forth, right? This result into number that you are doing now,
Yes.
it is not giving you the correct factorial answer, beta. See, you have to.
Okay, so
You have to. It is just
Yes,
multiplying the current iteration, current number into result. But result will be a different value. No? Factorial is actually what you are. This computation of result is not a correct formula. What I am suggesting here is that you put it in result. Okay, you put this answer into result first. So you remove 1 upon result over there. You remove 1 upon. I am explaining to you. Then you will understand what I am telling.
Okay.
Remove 1 upon from there. Okay. Yes. Now in another line, next line, you do result. You do some variable x is equals to 1 upon result. Getting it? Because you want 1 upon factorial, right? But not there. There you will do it after the loop is over. Because what is factorial? You need to count the factorial of all the numbers or the current number first, and then you have to compute 1 upon that number's factorial, right? So that, no, wait, Pranjal, wait, bacha. This integer x equals to 1 upon result will come after the loop is getting over.
okay, after the loop is getting over.
Because this loop is only dedicated for, yes, Vidhi, very good. I'll just give me 1 second. I'll solve the Pranjal's questions and then I'll get back to you. See, this loop is only calculating the factorial, right? While loop is only calculating the factorial, okay? Now,
Okay.
you have to do 1 upon that factorial. 1 upon 1 factorial plus 1 upon 2 factorial, right?
Yes.
Yes, this is 1 upon that current result. Also, you have to sum this result. So it will be x sum equals to sum plus 1 upon result. Pranjal, wait, let me
Sum
share.
is equal to
Yes,
sum.
let me share my screen. You stop sharing. Let me help you out. Okay. Let me help you.
Okay.
Just 1 minute. Okay. I'll share my screen. Okay. What I am explaining here is that, see, okay, whenever you are finding the solution for this series, right? Okay, so this is the function that is only calculating the factorial with your while loop, right? Then
Okay.
this while loop, for it is calculating the factorial of the current number. That is, say for example 1, then say for example 2. But this while loop should be executed for however number of times, n number of times. That is the first thing, because you are calculating the factorial for till n numbers, right? So for one factorial, one loop will get executed. For 2 factor another time, the same loop will get executed. For 3 factor another time, the same loop will get executed. Getting the point here now. This while loop for calculating the factorial should be executed for n number of times for different n's. That is one thing. Another thing is that whatever answer you are getting with this factorial, you are saving it in a variable result, okay? Then result is just the answer of that factorial. Next, what you need to do, for finding the equation answer, you have to do sum equals to sum plus 1 upon result. Because result is just the current factorial's answer. Say for example 1 factorial, right? And this complete thing will be inside a loop, in a bigger loop, okay? And this loop will run from 1 to n for finding this till ith factorial or nth factorial. Getting it? What I am telling here now.
Okay, that means you mean that that while loop will be within a for loop that will run from I is equal to 1 to will be range from n, right?
Correct, yes. And this result should be finding the factorial of that current I. Okay, if you are starting your I with 1 and you are running your I till n with I plus, then for that current I only your result should be counting the factorial. Because for that result only you are summing the current factorial, getting it.
Okay, ma'am, I got it.
Yes. You try one more time. If it is not happening, I can explain it to you. Okay, no worries.
Sure, ma'am.
Yes, Niti, can you share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Oh, very good. Let me stop presuming. Very nice. You have that question, right?
Yes, ma'am.
One with the first one. Easy. Pala, I want first and second questions. So very fast. They're very easy. First one. Assignment में array है ही नहीं. I have not given you the assignment for array. अरे में डालना है ना. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, we did.
ma'am, I have one doubt. I
Yeah.
have initialized twice here and here. I was not able to directly add 2 here.
Actually, I am not able to see your screen yet.
Okay.
Okay, yes. Now I am able to see your screen.
Yeah.
Yes,
Ma'am, here in this for loop, I'm not able to directly add 2, so I did twice.
You have to do. You can use shorthand over there. You see, keep your cursor there, but I'll help you out. You can do I plus equals to 2. I plus equals to 2, right? Equals to 2. This is shorthand. This you can use or you can use I equals to I plus 2. Remove
I
that.
did that, but that didn't work.
No. I equals to
Yeah, that is working. But directly if I'm adding +2,
Remove,
it is not working.
remove the plus from there first. Let me explain it. You remove the plus. I equals I plus 2. I plus 2. Getting it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this will work. Yeah. Easy, right? Very easy. Done, done, done.
Yes.
Yes, first is very easy. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good, good, good. What is the second question? Second question is you need to print the array with prime numbers. Okay, you are
Ma'am, one is odd and one is even.
uh, okay.
Oh, second is prime, ma'am. Second is
Ah,
prime.
second is fill the array with prime numbers.
Okay, I did even number. I need
Yes,
to check
that is
with.
fine. It's fine. Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Yes, yes. And I want to give you one more.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
First done.
Oh, first is easy, right, Pandwani?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. You do the second one also and then you show me both of them together, okay? This is also a good question, this one. Okay, I'm sharing one more question. Let me share my screen, okay? I'm sharing one more array question. One more question I will give you. Wait. No, Okay, this one. It is not accepting the values. Okay, Pranjul, can you share your screen with me? Pranjul?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sharing.
Yeah.
Possible?
Near your time. Okay, yes, now I can see. Yeah. What it is not.
This was the loop about which you were saying.
Okay, I want to remind you one more thing here. Can you scroll up bit one more time? Pranjul, can you scroll up? I think there's a problem.
Yes,
with
ma'am.
my-
Scrolling my screen.
And I'm still, the screen is actually frozen. I'm waiting for it to update. Some problem with my connectivity also, I think so.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, my internet isn't working so well. Let me try presenting once again.
Yeah, yeah. I'm still not able to see your screen. Okay, see, Pranjul, the problem here I'm telling you. See, are you able to hear me properly? Pranjul?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear
Okay,
you.
okay, good. Okay, see, here result equals to 1 you are doing, right? You are doing it before the for loop, okay? Now, inside the for loop, you are calculating the factorial inside the while loop, right? While loop is giving you the answer of the factorial. Good. Now, in that loop, once you get the result, you are dividing 1 upon result, it is correct. But again, when the I is getting incremented, the value of I will get incremented, the old result will get multiplied with number. In the sense, what I'm telling you here is that you need to reset the value of result as 1 before while loop one more time, no? The reason is you are calculating the factorial of a particular number, right? If it is calculating the factorial of 5, it is doing it correctly. But again for 6, it is using the old result of 5 and then it is computing again for 6. So you need to reset the value of result as 1 before the while loop also. Getting it?
Okay. Ma'am, do we have any inbuilt function for calculating factorial?
No, we don't have that function. You have to create it on your own. Those are application based functions now. So whenever you need, you create. It's like that better. Okay, anybody facing any questions in the first question, you can unmute yourself and raise your hand and help you out. Otherwise, you can move on to the second question. Yes, for second question, you can create a separate function for generating the prime number. अलग જ function બનાવી નાખો prime number generation નું અને એમાં ખાલી prime number બનતા જાય અને ન આવે એમાં જતા જાય. Create one whole separate function for generating the prime numbers, okay? In the second question. You can use हाँ એ ખાલી check કરશે prime છે કે નહીં. Okay, તો એમ કેસ હા કરી દેવાનું. Yes, yes. I will fill my bottle and come. Yes, if you are facing issues with the second question, you can raise your hand. Unmute yourself and talk to me.
Ma'am, I'm getting error in second question. Could you please help?
Yes. Yeah, you can share your screen. While index out is bound, you are getting there. Okay. Now, you are running. You have started with school. You are running till when? Okay, good. હવે જ્યારે I મોડ્યુલ J0 થાય ને ત્યારે counter 1 is counter 0, if counter is 0, then you have to store this, you have to store that number in AO file, no beta? You don't have to take it with you, right? You have to store that I in AO file, no?
Which number, ma'am?
Okay, I is the loop that is generating different numbers, and in that number, if I is 2, then you are checking whether it is prime number or not, right?
Yes.
So you are going to shift I into that array, no?
I have given I here.
I understand. What I am telling is I is the number that you are testing for prime number divisibility, right? You are checking whether the ith number is prime or not according to your J's loop.
Yes.
Okay. So the index over here for A will be a different index. You can write A of X or something. Not I, because I is the number you are checking. Right?
Okay.
And you create one variable X initially only before the loop, and you keep the initial value as 0, okay, for integer X. Now, if you are using this A of X over here, Okay, a of x instead of a of I, you can use a of x in line number 28. Okay, because you are shifting the value at 0th index. That is a of x. Yes. Instead of
So
a,
here
yeah.
I shift the value like in x.
Yes, you have to put a of I instead of a of I. You have to put a of x. Line number 28. No.
Okay.
Yes. Instead of a of I, a of x equals to no. You know a of I you have written no line number 29. Yes, exactly. You don't
Yeah.
have to shift x to I. No, you comment that line. Comment line number 28. You don't need that. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. No, this a of x you are having this variable. You are shifting the value of I to a of x. Getting. So you are not inputting any value over here. So remove scan dot next string.
From here. Okay, here.
No, not there. Line number 29. See, yes, you are not inputting. But if you have tested that I is prime number, yes, then I should go to a of x. Getting it? Now again, you have to increment x
Okay.
by 1 because x is still
I I'm sorry, I misunderstood the question. I thought that on the all prime number indexes, I have to fill.
Oh, okay. I got it now. Oh, okay. Now you have to fill the array with prime numbers.
Yes,
Now you got it.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, and then one more thing here, beta. After you have shifted I to a of x, increment
Yes,
x by 1. If you
okay.
don't increment x, then again the same index will be replaced, right? Yes. And when one more thing, beta, you are using counter as 1 and 0. No, initially counter is 1. Okay. If in case it becomes 0, then again it reset the counter. No, inside the loop.
Yes,
Yes. So inside the ith loop, no, you reset the counter one more time. What
yeah.
you want to do? See, what I'm telling is that assume that the number is non-prime. Then counter will become 1 at one time, right?
Ma'am, now I can do with function. I thought that I have to fill all prime number indexes.
No. Now you got the question, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
And this is also correct. Logic is correct only, but in this case also logic is correct only, but you just have to reset the counter value. Otherwise, everything else is okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And very good. Yeah. Yes, anybody done with question number 2? Ala, which question you are doing now? Second question, you are still doing it. Oh, done. Oh, wow. Can you share your screen, Divya?
Yes, ma'am.
Inputting the size. Okay. You are using is prime function, another function for checking whether the number is prime or not. If it is prime number, then you are storing it in ith index and you are incrementing ith index and you are incrementing the number also. So next time it is calling that number. Okay, good. Can you scroll up? Let me see the prime function. Okay. If you are inputting n over here, you are running the square root correct. If it is incrementing, then okay, good. Yes. Done. Very simple, right? Very nice review. Good. Very clean code. Very nice. Done. I forgot to share my screen. Ayush, are you there? Rohan? Vipin? Manav?
Yes, ma'am.
Anuj? Riddhi?
Present, ma'am.
Riddhi is also there.
Ma'am, Ayush
Yashraj?
present.
Yeah. Who is present?
Vipin present, ma'am. Ayush.
Vipin, you are there. Okay, okay.
Vipin.
Yeah. Yashraj? Josh?
Yes, ma'am.
Nancy?
Ma'am, Ayush present.
Okay, okay. Ayush is there. Mansi? Nikita? Manthan? Smith Kumar?
Ma'am, Vipin
Yes, ma'am.
Present.
Yes, yes, yes. Devansh?
Present, ma'am.
Ala? Yashan?
Yes, ma'am.
Dipen?
Yes, ma'am.
Tushar?
Present.
Yash?
Present, ma'am.
Manyar? Parmar?
Present, ma'am.
Udayraj?
Present, ma'am.
Rishabh?
Ma'am, Mani are present.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Rishabh, are you there? Okay, yes, yes. Ivanchi? Gandhi? Anushali?
Present, ma'am.
Ashwardhan is there. Vijay Raj?
Present, ma'am.
Deep?
Present, ma'am.
Bharti is there. Avinash? Limbani? Arjun? Maharana?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Tanmay Raj?
Yes, ma'am.
Vignesh Prasad?
Present, ma'am.
Anjuani? Anjuani, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Sushil Prasad?
Present, ma'am.
Ruby?
Yes, ma'am.
Naitik? Dharmik? Mohammed? Runal?
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Nidhi is there. Arpit? Meghna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yash?
Present.
Navdeep is there. Divya is there. Saif Ali?
Yes, ma'am.
Samir Alam?
Present, ma'am.
Isha? Vibhusha? Aditya?
Present, ma'am.
Kriplani?
Present.
Aditya Jain? Jay Dakan?
Present, ma'am.
Priyank?
Present, ma'am.
Tushar?
Ma'am. Present.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Nikita?
Present, ma'am.
Girish?
Present, ma'am.
Pratik?
Yes, ma'am.
Enrollment number 62? Shri?
Yes, ma'am. 62, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. 61? 59? 60? 63?
Yes, ma'am.
Hima, are you there?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Okay, yes, 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 you are here. 65?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay. 73?
Yes, ma'am. 73.
Mohammed?
Yes, ma'am.
Darshan Raj?
Yes, ma'am.
Pradeep? Smriti. Yes, yes.
Present, ma'am.
Charlie. Okay, Jaideep, you are there.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Vaishali. Vasu. Kunal.
Present, ma'am.
Hollywood is there. Done.
Ma'am, AI 38. Ma'am, Arpit Mishra present.
Arpit Mishra. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Done. Arpit Mishra, you are marked as present.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, विभूषा भी present है, ma'am. वो उसमें chat box पे लिख रही थी.
हाँ. Vibhusha, I am marking you as present, beta. Lazar. Then if you have questions, you can stay in the session. Otherwise, you can leave the session. I'm okay. But practice these questions whenever you are at home. Huh? After 1 or 2 minutes, you go. Till 11, the lecture is there.
Ma'am, AI 60, I'm present.
After 2-3 minutes, you go. Yes. What? Somebody is speaking something. AI?
Ma'am, can I present my screen?
Yes, Panjwani. Yes. Yeah. Yes, I can see your screen. Yeah. Okay. This is the question where you are checking whether the element in the array is prime or not, right, Panjwani?
Ma'am, till here, okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So I am here printing.
You are printing the elements which are prime in the array, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. The question is that you have to fill the array with prime numbers. Getting the question?
No, not yet.
Okay. Joe. Sorry.
हाँ, ma'am.
हाँ. जितने भी आपने एरे आपको एरे इनिशियलाइज करना है प्राइम नंबर्स से. मतलब अगर आपकी एरे की साइज 10 है तो एरे के अंदर वैल्यू जाएगा फर्स्ट 10 प्राइम नंबर्स. गेटिंग इट नाउ?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is the question where you are checking whether the array's element is prime or not. The logic is correct over here, okay? It is correct only. Okay, go.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Go. Smriti, you also can go better. Getting the question, Panjwani?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to fill the array with prime numbers, first 10 prime numbers, you will create a function that checks whether the number is prime or not, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoever numbers are prime, you can fill it in the array. That is the question.
Okay, ma'am. अच्छा, we have to check it. मुझे से मैम array लिखना है और उसमें से ये सिर्फ prime number वाले एलिमेंट डिस्प्ले करें.
समझ गई मैं. लेकिन अभी आपको
array odd वाला किया था ना.
हाँ. लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है? टू फिल द array with prime numbers. Getting it now? लैब में कर लेना पंचवानी, ये क्वेश्चन है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Or whenever you are free, you can do it and you can share it with me. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, you can leave the session. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
No problem.